The city of Udaipur was gripped by communal tension on Friday after a violent incident at a government-run school led to widespread unrest. The tension began when a class 10 student was allegedly stabbed by a fellow student at the government senior secondary school located in Bhatiani Chahotta area. The incident, which took place in the morning, quickly escalated into a broader conflict involving members of different communities and leading to violence and arson in the several parts of the city. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you are watching HW News English. Let's try to understand the whole incident. Let's get right into it. The altercation is believed to have started between two students inside their classroom and continued during the lunch break at the school's entrance gate. During the scuffle, one of the students allegedly stabbed the other in the thigh with a knife. The injured student was promptly taken to Maharana Bhopal Government Hospital by a school teacher, where he was admitted to the intensive care unit. His condition was later reported to be stable. Taking a big action, the administration has bulldozed the illegal house of the accused in Diwan Shah colony of Khanji Pir. When the bulldozer was run, a large number of police force was present. It is said that the family of the accused was living on rent in his house. Have a look at this video. As the news of stabbing spread, misinformation and rumors about the student's death began circulating, intensifying the tensions in the area. The members of the Hindu right-wing groups gathered in the Madhuban area and started to protest. Have a look at this video. The unrest soon turned violent, with protesters engaging in arson and vandalism. Several vehicles were set on fire and shops in the key areas of the city, including Babu Bazar, Hathipol, Ghantaghar and Chetak Circle, were forced to shut down. Have a look at this video now. In response to the escalating violence, the district administration imposed prohibitory orders under the Section 144, which bans the assembly of more than 5 or 4 people in any area. Additionally, internet services across Udaipur were also suspended for over 24 hours, from 10 p.m. on Friday, to prevent spread of misinformation, further rumors and maintain public safety. The local administration and police forces are trying to control the situation. Udaipur District Collector Arvind Poswal confirmed that the student who allegedly committed the stabbing had been detained and his father was also arrested. However, the exact charges against the boy's father are not yet disclosed. Poswal assured the public that the injured student was receiving best possible medical treatment and was also expected to recover soon. He also urged the residents to refrain from spreading or believing in rumors and assured them that the situation was under close observation. Have a look at this video.
आज सुबह एक दो बच्चों को मिलकर चाकूबाजी की घटना घटी, जिसके बाद एक बच्चे को जांघ पे चोट लगने के बाद उसको हॉस्पिटल लाया गया। खून बहने की वजह से बच्चे को इमीडिएटली आईसीयू में एडमिट किया और अभी हमारे जो चिकित्सकों की टीम है उसे देख रही है। अभी स्थिति कंट्रोल में है, बच्चे की स्थिति भी स्टेबल है। तो मैं सभी शहरवासियों से अपील करता हूँ कि अब किसी भी प्रकार की अफवाह में नहीं आए। हमारे बेस्ट डॉक्टर देख रहे हैं और जैसा कि मुझे डॉक्टर्स की टीम ने बताया कि बहुत जल्दी बच्चा रिकवर भी हो जाएगा। तो अपन किसी भी प्रकार की अफवाह का हिस्सा नहीं बने, क्योंकि और किसी भी ऐसे व्यक्ति को जो अगर कोई अफवाह फैलाए तो प्रशासन से उसको वेरीफाई करे कि ये खबर सही है गलत है। क्योंकि मुझे बताया गया कि तरह तरह की खबरें जो है शहर में कुछ लोग जो माहौल खराब करना चाहते हैं वो फैला रहे हैं। तो आप हमसे वेरीफाई करें, पुलिस से वेरीफाई करें। अभी कानून व्यवस्था के हिसाब से भी पूरी स्थिति हमारे कंट्रोल में है, नियंत्रण में है।
Despite these measures, the situation remained tense throughout the day. The protesters set fire to at least half a dozen vehicles parked in the garage and damaged several shops and outlets in nearby mall. Have a look at this video. Attempts were made to storm into at least 2 religious sites, further heightening the communal tensions. In multiple localities, including Madhuban and Chetak Circle, stone pelting incidents were also reported, forcing the police to resort lathi charge to disperse the agitated crowd. Senior police officials, including IPS officer Rajendra Prasad Goyal, were deployed to manage the situation. The police headquarters in Jaipur were closely monitoring the developments, with Director General of Police Utkal Ranjan Sahu and Additional Director General of Law and Order Vishal Bansal in constant communication with Udaipur range officers. All the police were instructed to take all necessary measures to restore order and were directed to take action against those inciting violence and disrupting communal harmony. The stabbing incident and the subsequent violence drew attention from several political leaders and community representatives. Udaipur MP Mannalal Rawat, Udaipur City MLA Tara Chand Jain, Udaipur Rural MLA Phul Singh Meena and BJP leader Pramod Samar visited the hospital to inquire about the injured student's condition and to appeal for calm. Udaipur Rural MLA Phul Singh Meena also spoke to the media, expressing his concern over the incident and urging the community to exercise restraint. He noted that the authorities were taking steps to address the situation and that the city's law and order were being restored. As the city now slowly returns to normalcy, the authorities are continuing their investigation into the root cause of the stabbing incident. The police are also working to identify those responsible for subsequent violence and are taking steps to prevent further unrest. The events of Friday serve as a sobering reminder of the importance of communal harmony and peace. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.